Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Pad, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So actually, first of all, we have to enter the recents, and we can do it just by tapping on this 3 bars icon, let's say on the left lower side of the screen. So let's tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got the full list of all previously opened apps. And if you would like to close only one of it, then find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you'd like to close all of them, just tap on this X button right in the middle, let's say, and we just go back to the home page. So let's enter the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So actually this is it. This is how to turn off running apps in your REALME Pad. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.